Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a really easy mask with agar and chamomile. You will just need a small pot and a small bowl. First of all, we warm a cup of water, and just after we add the chamomile and we let it be infused in the water. When it's ready, we add the agar. After that, you mix good with a spoon and you let it get more cold. I prefer applying the mask when it's not that thick, but when it's just a little bit liquid, it's easier to apply. And I start by taking a brush. You can use a makeup brush, you can use your fingers, you can use a spoon, whatever you like. Today I choose to use my makeup brush. Actually, what I do is creating layers with the mask, which dries on my skin and becomes more thick. And I continue creating layers until I feel that it's done. And after I can start removing the mask. As you can see, it's being removed in pieces. And I use my nails to scrub the face, and when everything is done, I will wash my face with some warm water, apply some day cream. So that's it, it's ready. I really like the agar on my face. It leaves my skin very hydrated and clean. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel to see my next videos. Hope you have a great day. See you soon.